Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite a new team member to your Make.com account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who use Make.com for automations and scenarios. How do you actually go ahead and invite someone so that they could also use your Make.com account? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way this actually works is that first you want to log onto your Make.com account. And if you haven't signed up for Make.com just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and you get a discount off your first few months. Now with Make, once you're logged in, you want to click on Users, and then from here, you want to click on Invite a New User. Now once you do that, you simply just input their email, their name, and their role, and you could also enter a note and then click on Save. Now with Make.com, the individual that you invite will be able to use your account, and with them using your account, they're actually going to be able to use up operations as well. So if we go back to the previous page, you can see that the plan that I'm on is 10,000 operations per month, and I have 9,000 operations left. So there is a maximum limit as far as how many operations you'll actually have. And when you invite a new user to your Make.com account, you guys will both be sharing the same operations. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use and invite a new user to Make.com. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.